Oh hey Igniters! Welcome to part 2 of my beginner's meditation. So kick back, relax, and let's get started. So welcome to part 2 of my beginner's meditation series. For those of you who haven't watched part 1, I highly advise you stop this video and start on part 1 and then continue on with part 2. But for the rest of you guys, I just wanted to provide an additional information for you guys in this second video on the different types of meditation. And the reason for this is because when I started out meditating, there was just so much. You know, you look into meditation and then there's like 50 different kinds of meditation out there, and it could be really confusing, and it was very confusing for myself. So I just wanted to provide some kind of guidance for you guys just to know where to get started, right? And then from at that point, I highly advise you after this series to branch out and actually research the particular meditations that you find value in and that you want to start, because I believe meditation is a very powerful tool that can help you throughout your life and every aspect of your life. So again, this particular video will be about the different types of meditations that are out there. So when selecting a type of meditation, I think it's highly important that you find one that adapts to your lifestyle and your liking. Now there's many different kinds of meditation, like I've said, but I think they can be broken down into 2 different kinds of categories. Now one is the non-direct meditation and the other one is the concentrated meditation. So the first kind of non-direct meditation I have for you guys is called creative meditation. Now this is typically not particularly focusing on anything that's going around you, but just essentially worrying about the energy and releasing energy from your body, right? Just not focusing on anything, just being creative with your thoughts and allowing yourself to like free think almost, but in a kind of structured way is the best way to put it. So that would be the first one, would be creative. So contemplation meditation is the next meditation in this non-direct meditation. And this particular meditation is more focused on the joy and the happiness that is surrounding you and within you, and you release the energies essentially from being around you and inside you. So the last non-direct meditation I have for you guys is called mindfulness. Now this is actually a combination non-direct and concentrated meditation, because you focus on the present. You hone in on everything in the present. You don't think about the past, you don't think about the future. You clear your mind and only focus on the present. And then you absorb your environment around you, right? It's all the sounds, all the energy from the room. So you keep everything present and you stay in that concentrated present time for 10 to 15, 20 minutes. And this is typically what mindful meditation is. Now those are some of the non-direct meditations. Now this next category is the more concentrated meditations. A lot more people do the concentrated meditations because it helps try to clear the mind and actually allow you to focus on something that will help get you clear your mind of all the thoughts that go through our mind all the time. And I know this is something that I've always dealt with and try to battle through is focusing on specific things. And I felt that concentration meditation was better for me. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into these. So my first concentration meditation is going to be Zen meditation. Now this particular meditation focuses on your breathing. So when you find that your mind is wandering, you can always come back to your breathing. And then you do this, for 15-20 minutes, and it helps focus your mind from wandering. It's just focusing on the breath. Now the next one I have for you guys is called mantra meditation. And this is typically, you associate a word or phrase that you essentially concentrate on throughout the meditation. And a good example of this would be, strength or happiness, or I'm happy, some kind of meditation, some kind of word or phrase that will help guide you through the meditation. And every time you, again, find yourself wandering, you'll come back to this word or phrase. So the next concentration meditation I have for you guys is called affirmation meditation. Now what this typically is to give yourself affirmations, right? Like, I am powerful, I am motivated, I am strong. And you use that throughout your meditation, and you continue with these different phrases to help get you through the meditation. And this actually, I find this is one of the things I use in my particular meditation because it actually helps. It's like you almost reprogram your brain, right, by giving yourself affirmations. And I think this is one of the meditations that I particularly use. I use pieces of it that help me out tremendously. So now the next meditation is called chakra meditation. Now when you Google meditation, this is typically the one that comes up because you always see the images that have the 7 different energy centers within the body. And throughout this meditation, you concentrate on those specific energy centers and try to release energy from those particular energy centers. So my last concentration meditation for you guys is called Transcendental Meditation. Now this one is actually very popular among celebrities and is basically focused around a specific thought throughout your meditation. So this is just a brief overview of some of the meditations out there. It really just breaks it down into some of the really basic forms. There is literally all kinds of meditation out there. There's yoga meditations, there's bead counting meditations where you say a prayer for every bead you count, and there's just a bunch of different kinds of meditations out there. Even some people say that, it's important when you think of meditation is that you should completely clear your mind, right? You shouldn't have all these thoughts going around your mind, and sometimes it's hard nowadays with so much going on to clear your mind. So some of these other more modern meditations that help you focus on specific things, I think really help focus your energy, right, and focus and clear your mind of these stresses and anxiety and depression, whatever you may be going through. And that's really what this is for. This is really what these videos are for, is just trying to get you guys a basic understanding so you know where to start from here. And from that point on, do your research. If there's, if you're interested in the mantra meditation, to go look further into that, research that, and find instructors around your area that can help you get a better understanding, right? Because here we're just teaching the basic stuff to help you along your way. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please smash that like button. Also, if you know somebody out there who wants to get into meditation, please share it with them. And also, if you did enjoy this video and you're waiting for the last video in the series, please subscribe so you do not miss out. Make sure you smash that notification bell as well. And until next time, I will see you guys later.